Good afternoon, everybody. It is Friday. Victor, I don't know if you knew, but dude, I am so hungry right now. I was literally sitting here and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, there's like 2 minutes left before I gotta go on. Should I go grab something to eat really quick? Like, it just hit me. It just hit me. Very hungry, and I want to say thank you for all of the super stickers and all of the food there, man. Victor. That popcorn is delicious, man. That popcorn needs a little salt, dude. Throw it over your shoulder and then... Oh, the salt in your eye. It's ridiculous. It stings. Thank you very much. Victor, oh man, I can already tell you the horn's going to be a little soft today. The horn's going to be a little soft today. Victor, I got, a little curl. The horn likes to curl over a little. Thank you very much, Victor, for the unicorn and the dip and shove technique, ladies and gentlemen. You dip that hot dog in your favorite dip, whatever the dip is, you dip it in, and then you take it and you shove it. Victor, thank you for the popcorn, the salt shaker, the unicorn, the hot dog. We've got the banana right here. Victor, thank you very much for the banana lick and stick technique, ladies and gentlemen. I'm thinking about Victor, but I'm looking at Trapper right now. Eye contact, very important. You take the banana, you lick it, and you stick it. Thank you very much for the banana. And Lucky's Thought says 100. Actually, click the like button 101 times, guys. 101 times. Don't click the like button in even amount. Click the like button 101 times. And then we got Lucky's... Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Lucky's Thoughts. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Lucky's Thoughts. Really appreciate that. PS5 in the house, Peak of Power in the building. Love this chat. Me too, PS5. Me too. Peak of Power saying fist bump. Lucky's Thoughts member for 4 months. Are we winning today or are we winning today? Lucky's Thoughts, we are winning today, man. Thank you for grabbing that green name and being a member for 4 months. La Pika Pika, La Pika Pika, a Pika 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 Peek. A pika 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 peek, la pika pika, la pika pika, a pika 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 peek, a pika 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 peek, la pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek, la pika 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 peek. Last time, guys, do it with me. La pika pika, la pika pika, la pika 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 peek. La Pika 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 Peek. Thank you very much. Pika Power for the super sticker. Really, man, you guys are on fire today. I love it. How about a Petey Pete? How about a Pika Peek? How about a Pika Peek coming from the Pikachu herself? How about that last like? We'll take away the thumbs up. The last one on, off, on, off, on, off. No, 1 is good, 2 is bad, 3 is good, 4 is bad, 5 is bad. 5 is good, 6 is bad. The evens are bad, man. Don't click it an even amount of times. Click it an odd amount of times. August 4th, AMC will merge with a major film studio. Is that what we got going on? Is that what we got going on? A partnership between a major film studio and AMC? I did not know it. Looking for some good crypto info. This guy is the first 10 minutes legend. Stefan, man. I can't help it. They send all this stuff in the first 10. Like, what am I supposed to do? They send all this stuff. It's too hard, man. It's too hard to ignore. You can't ignore it. Stefan, hopefully I'm saying that right. Could be Stefan, man. I don't want to pronounce your name incorrectly. But Mr. Stoogie. Stoogie. Now I don't even know, man. I don't even know how to say your name. Hey, bro, how is you two? I'm doing good, Sam the Man number 2. How are you doing today? Actually, I'm really hungry, dude. It just hit me right before I went live. Maybe 3:49, dude, that I'm hungry. And I should not be because I ate lunch today. So I don't even know why I'm hungry, but I am. And I don't like it. First like on the video, Dark Matter. Now that's what I'm talking about. Afternoon to you, Keith Kemp. How you doing? How you doing today? And I was reading the next one already. Get ready to pounce. Jason, man, let's make it happen. Clay never disappoints. Pika never disappoints me. Pika, you're a legend. Let me tell you that. In 1940s, Paramount had Congress write a law stopping film studios from owning major movie theaters. Hey, I am Ori. I did not know this. I do not know all of the laws that are out there. Why would they do that? Why would they do that, though? Looks like Shiba Inu isn't going back down. That's what I like to see. Shiba Inu maintaining levels above 11,000 points per coin. Had a nice run earlier towards the end of our live stream. Bouncing back a little bit, back and forth now. I don't know why, but this reminds me of Wreck-It Ralph for some reason. It's just this candle pattern. Reminds me of Wreck-It Ralph. I don't know if you guys see it or not, but it does. And sitting at 1136 right now. Not bad at all. Bitcoin also staying sustained at $21,800 per coin. Not points per coin. Bitcoin is expensive. You need to make an AMC video. It'll cure your hunger. Spider Claude, it just may do it. I actually did think about making an AMC video earlier today, but you guys wouldn't like it. I was thinking about making it, and you know how everybody's hyped up right now about Adam Aaron pouncing on the shorts? I was going to say, yeah, Adam Aaron's going to pounce on the shorts. What we've got coming up after the second quarter earnings report is a new contract with Nicole Kidman to do commercials for theaters. The shorts are going to hate that because it's going to drive so many people into the seats at AMC that it's just going to be incredible. And I figured you guys wouldn't like that if I came out there and dropped that bombshell on you to say that Adam Aaron's pounce is another paycheck for Nicole Kidman. So I'm not gonna do that. Don't worry. I don't want to ruin anybody's day. But no, I am excited, dude. If he does come up with something good, great. What I don't like, and that's why I tend not to do it. People really try to overhype things. You know, Satoshi does it. Some of these other YouTube guys do it, and Adam Aaron is starting to do it too. Adam Aaron, man, just pounce, right? Just pounce. What he could end up doing here is getting a lot of people very excited about something that would kill the shorts, right? And kill the short thesis out there, and then really disappoint, and that's never good. So he might need to like rethink that stuff. But in the meantime, everybody's excited and I love it. So there are benefits to having that kind of hype out there. I just hope he doesn't disappoint, right? We've seen it so many times with AMC hyping people up and then getting a little bit disappointed. I don't want to see it starting to come out of Adam Aaron. I'd rather the guy be quiet than like boastful or loud and then end up disappointing people. Have you heard about the collaboration with Shiba and Drip Token? Well, I don't know about Drip Token, but I did see something about like I don't even know what the Drip website is. But yeah, I did see that you can pay with your Shiba Inu coin on Drip now, but isn't it like, is Drip just something where buy cool clothes or something? Like, is that what drip means to these kids these days? I don't know what being dripped means. I don't know what that is. Elon Musk talking right now. Bitcoin Bitcoin at 40,000 next week. Really, crypto market crazy. Yet no one knows. Was it like this last bear market? PS5 future of gaming. There was actually a lot less hype during the last bear market. Now, I will say that, yes, there were some pretty wild price swings the last bear market. But as far as like people every day, Bitcoin's going to 1 million, Bitcoin's going to 100,000. You hear a lot of that stuff during the bull markets, that Bitcoin's never going to stop, it's going to hit 1 million and things like that. And people do get a little too overexcited. But as far as like a lot of speculation that we're going to just jump and double in price, no, not necessarily, but the price did that. During the last bear market, you could run from $5,000 to $10,000, back down to $8,000, up to $12,000, down to $4,000, up to $9,000. So there were some wild price swings, and a lot of people were trading the bear market and making great gains, trading, buying it at $4,000 and selling at $8,000. You're going to double your money, man. But then when it decided to run, and those traders decided to sell when it broke through $8,000, what happened then was the subsequent run up to $70,000. So it would have been a lot better to hold in that situation. But yes, man, trading absolutely works during a bear market as well. It's just less people are excited. Less people are excited about the price swings because everybody wants to see new all-time highs being hit. That's what brings people in. August 4th, merger, a one of one stock. Let's make it happen, dude. Glaybro, can't get frozen crypto now. I won't buy a no more Shiba. Sam Demand, I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you what, dude, my crypto on Voyager is frozen, and I'm gonna tell you, I don't hate anything more. I don't hate anything more than thieves, dude, and that's what we're working with right now. Moon, baby, what did Moon finish at today? I didn't even look at it. $1.17 up 9.5%. Mullen Auto doing very well, hitting $1.27 today. Okay, acceptable, and bouncing back down a little bit, closing at $1.17. Very nice gains. I cannot stop thinking about food right now. I'm much hungrier than I should be. Kind of makes me want to go out to eat or something tonight. Dang. Sundial wants me to vote for a 10 for 1 or 25 for 1 consolidation. Bronson, I knew this day would come, dude. Look. Either vote for it or don't vote for it, right? Here's the pros and cons. The cons, if you don't vote for it, there's only one of two things that they can do at that point. Either delist or try a massive share buyback. They will have to get over $1, and I think it's by August 8th, right? I could be wrong on that date, but I think it's by August 8th. Now, you don't want them to delist, but if they do, you know, their stock price probably won't rebound the way that they want. What I don't understand, and this is the hardest part for me to understand, because you really think that these people running these companies are human beings with like logic and emotions, and they can understand what they're doing. But the other part of me thinks that they're not human beings, and this is the weird part. So Sundial is a perfect example. If you look at Sundial, and I know a lot of you guys are probably on your phone, and it might be hard to see down here in the bottom left, but if you look at Sundial on an annual 1-year graph, okay, Sundial was phenomenal back here at the beginning of 2021. It shot up, guys, from $13 a share at the end of 2020, and it was rolling, and it was sitting at like $60 cents a share for quite some time. But dude, it rolled up in a matter of days. This is about a 2-week period, from 60 cents to $4.20. Hit $4.20 after hours, didn't hit it, during hours trading here. But here's the thing that gets me. Sundial ran up to these values, and then they diluted. They diluted their share. Sundial could have soared to $10, $15, $20. But what they did, I believe they raised somewhere around $1 billion. Might have been $1 billion Canadian dollars. They raised a ridiculous amount of money right here. And as you can see, immediately dropped the price back down. Stopped it from soaring. They paid off their debt, and they were sitting on hundreds of millions of dollars in cash. Awesome for the company. Terrible for the shareholders. And from then, they have not been able to recover those levels, those price levels that they were at. And it has been doing basically nothing but coming down ever since. And it's difficult to see unless you scroll in a little bit better. It's nice if it runs from 65 cents to $1.50, absolutely. But once again, just stopped in its tracks. And the overwhelming trend since that time, at the beginning of 2021, is where? Down. All of that money that they raised doing this share distribution was at the expense of their shareholders. And I had Sundial for a while, and I sold it at a little loss, 70, 80 cents. I think I had it at 80 cents and sold it at 70. But it was at the expense of their shareholders. Now, instead of actually going back and saying, you know what, we raised this money at the expense of our shareholders, now we will buy the shares back and give this money back to our shareholders. What they're doing is they're sitting on their hundreds of millions of dollars in cash, and they're asking for a reverse split to regain compliance. So instead of giving that money back to shareholders, they're simply asking you for a bailout to reverse split so that it can make it back up above the $1 price point that they need for compliance, and then they will I mean, most likely, why the trend is most likely going to continue going down until legalization happens. So they're just trying to buy some more time off of shareholders. Look, it obviously didn't work out for them when they did this. They were trying to build wealth for shareholders, but they took wealth from shareholders and triggered the price to go way back down. And instead of just giving it back and saying, well, we'll try again, they're not doing it, man. They could sit on 100 million shares in their treasury. They could sit on 200 million shares in their treasury and redistribute them whenever they want. But they're not going to do it. They've got that money, hundreds of millions of dollars in their bank account now. And instead of doing some sort of share buyback, they will want you to vote for a reverse split so they can keep that money and still regain their compliance there. It's a great example, and I don't like it. You know, awesome. If it worked out and they were able to pay off all of their debt and grow the business, okay. I'm okay if this spike right here came back down, but the overwhelming trend was still growth, right? I'm cool with that. If you're still ticking up and growing as time goes on, I'm cool with that. But it didn't happen that way. You know, they took it from shareholders and then just continued to deteriorate from there. If the spike up caused them to go out and raise a ton of money, hundreds of millions, pay off all their debt, all that good stuff, and the spike back down occurred, back down to $1, and we slowly grew, and we're sitting at $2, I still say excellent, but that's not where we're at. We're at 30 cents right now. Let's see. We took it around here. I had an option. It did not get triggered. No, it was probably going to get triggered up here somewhere. It didn't get triggered. What do you guys want to watch? We want to watch Bitcoin after hours? We can watch Bitcoin after hours. Steak or chicken? Dude, if I'm going tacos, I'm probably going chicken or beef. I was thinking Chipotle tonight. Chicken burrito, quesadilla, or tacos. Go chicken, dude. Go chicken bowl. Chicken bowl is what I would be getting there. But you can get a chicken burrito, man. It's up to you. Tacos. Can't go wrong with tacos. Steak or chicken. There you go. I'd go chicken. But that's because I don't do beef. There you go, man. Peak of Power coming in hot with a recommendation. I like it, everybody. Just got home. Road construction in Central Ohio. Oh, man. Nobody likes construction. Nobody likes construction on any road. Slows people down, and it's never good. Sundial's dropped more than Sis Bro's reputation. Dip dog in the chat, baby. Yeah, dude. Sis Bro's doing good. A Diffie, yeah, dude, it's all right though, Bronson, it's all right. Diffie's wild. Same to man. Okay, thank you, absolutely. Pika, I raise cattle. You beef stance hurts my heart. Have you ever seen a chicken farm? You'd be eating beef. Trust me. Yeah, but not if you don't like the taste of it. Sundial Graph looks like a Black Friday merch bro set. Yes, it does, man. Sorry, Tim. I've seen those videos too. Just sad. I don't eat red meat. It's all right. I do eat red meat, but I don't want to watch the videos. I don't want to feel bad about eating red meat. Keith says steak. Go for it. It's Clay. If the markets look good, you think Feds will only put 50 basis points end July? Everyone's expecting. And then we run up. Looks promising. PS5 future gaming. I don't know if it's going to depend on what the markets look like. But I do think if the inflation rate, July 13th, comes in at maybe like 7.5%. If it's already declining, yeah, I think we could have a lower interest rate hike at the end of July. And then the preceding interest rate hikes could be 50 to 25 basis points from there on out. So I don't think it's necessarily, I don't think they care what the market looks like. I think that they're going to be gauging it more on how quickly inflation rises or is rising or even falling on July 13th. And then make it based on that decision. But here's what I want to know. Don't they get those numbers before July 13th? Like, is it so secretive? Like, does the dude that has the job of revealing inflation data, he doesn't even know what it is? Like, somebody knows what that number is. Somebody has to know what that number is before it gets revealed to the public, right? And then how far in advance do they know it? Do they already know the reading that's going to be coming out on July 13th? You would imagine they do, because it's for the June inflation rate. June's been done and over with for a week now. So you would imagine that they should know that inflation rate there. Somebody's got to be sitting on that information. Somebody's got to know whether the market's going to tank because inflation's up at 12%, or if the market's going to soar because inflation fell down to 4%. So I want to know about that guy. I want to know what he knows, how far in advance he knows it, and who he does and does not tell about the inflation rates ahead of time. Clever, how are you? You know what? Or how do you do? Papa Lion, how do you do? Clever, what did you do today? And can I rub your feet? Al Sharpton, no, you cannot rub my feet. Surprisingly, I ate lunch, but I still stayed hungry, dude. So I don't know what's going on with that. I need to eat something else, like as soon as this live stream's over with. Does anyone actually invest in food companies? I find it boring. Yeah, I don't know. Some people do, I'm sure. Lunk forming a cup and handle pattern in a one-day chart. Booming! Got a cup and handle on a daily chart down here, huh? Cup and handle on a day. Dude, I don't know what the day. I can't see no daily here in Weeble. Can't see no daily. Best I could do is probably a 4-hour chart. Gosh. Nah, too hard for me to see here on Weeble. Sorry about that. Oh, that's $50. Wouldn't it be nice if Lunk was still at $50? If it formed a cup and handle coming all the way back up here to $90 and then handled off. Could you imagine going from 0.0001 to $90 per share? That would be incredible. Let's go back out to Bitcoin though. Let's watch Bitcoin. Let's watch Bitcoin trade sideways for a while. JB, yeah, you want to touch my feet? You can touch my feet. You gotta find me first, man. Diffie, commodities are wild. Yes, they are. Bro, are we seeing a mini bull run, or are we going to have a rug pull Monday? JJ, stock market and crypto market. Let's talk about that real quick. I don't think it's a bull run. If we look at Bitcoin, I can see that things do look nice, but we remain in these channels here, okay? Now, we have to keep in mind that this here is also a channel if we get back into it and we're able to move above this level of resistance right here. I could move this level slightly higher and it would still encompass where we're at today, but I went with the kind of the bottom of the candles here instead of the top end of the candles because we touched the bottom end of the candle over here. So I still think we're going to be stuck in this channel here between the red and the green. Now, of course, this is a tighter channel that we could trade in on a daily basis, and this is a much looser channel, 17, 18,000 all the way up to 24,000. It's a pretty loose channel, right? 50% swings almost. So I still think we're channeling. I don't know if this is necessarily some sort of a bull market. If we come out and we look at the NASDAQ, this is interesting. You talking about a rug pull Monday? Possibly, okay? I did have a limit order for put options, but it did not get triggered. It did not get triggered on the QQQ this afternoon. We'll look at the NASDAQ, but the QQQ tracks the NASDAQ. So, talking about a rug pull Monday, quite possibly. We are at this level of resistance right here. We hit it in the past as support, yes. Kind of broke above it, but right back down here. And then we were back up in this level for support here, which was nice, but falling back down through and then tapping it and tapping it again. I would not be surprised either way if we see a big move on Monday. Either, yes, a bounce off this resistance level, and I don't think we'll go all the way back down to 11,000 points on the NASDAQ on Monday and retest these resistance levels or support levels down here. But a bounce off is possible on Monday if we break through. If the upside continues on Monday, I would like to see a test here at 12,000 points. A decent another couple percent rise in the price or in the NASDAQ and QQQ, and I would imagine the SPY and Dow would follow. But it is going to be a pretty interesting day Monday to see if we bounce off resistance or if we break through. If you're looking at the SPY, you can see we're in a very similar situation. We came up and we tested this level up here today on an intraday basis and bounced off of it right back down to this level. It's just basically this resistance area in here was like the major resistance and then the little bottom of this candle here. So still, we're running into resistance. We may curl over Monday, and all the major indices and Bitcoin all hitting these levels of resistance at the same time. Yes, we could pull back on Monday. Rug pull Monday? I don't know if it's necessarily a rug pull, but I don't think that we're in a bull market right now. I think we've had a decent run up, and we're tapping that resistance again. So we break through, yeah, it'll be a nice Monday. We don't break through, puts would be a decent play on Monday. But since I didn't get triggered today, we'll probably wait and see see if we do anything on Monday morning. Let's go back out to Bitcoin and watch that bad boy right there. I like my channels tight. Al Sharpton. Nice, dude. Is that good? Tight channels better than loose channels? Good deal. I want badly to be an Abe, but since I am not the investor of the goods, I guess I will keep something. I will keep being the chimp of the cryptocurrencies. In the USA stocks, my Coinbase portfolio is bad. Okay, hey, D-man, everybody's Coinbase portfolio is bad at the moment, dude. Should head up. We are 150 days away from the next Bro Merge giveaway. Diffy dog. Dang, man, you count down. I like it. Bitcoin at 15,000 by the end of July. Hope I'm wrong. Dead cat bounce and not a mini bull run. Yeah, it could be just to bounce off those support levels. Look, dude, for all of our emotional sake, yeah, I hope you're wrong too. But at the same time, if it keeps coming down, man, I don't know. At this point in the game, I think we've got plenty of opportunities to buy. I've got a feeling. Shib, what's your feeling, man? That you is a bullish signal, right? Drotskray, on a chart, like if we've got a U shape on a chart, is that what you're talking about? People do look at U shapes and forming a little handle afterwards as being a bullish pattern. They call it a cup and handle, but I think that is what you're referring to. I'm not 100% sure. Looks like an Amber Heard Monday. Well, it could be an Amber Heard Monday, man. I don't know exactly what that means, but I think Terra Classic is going to gain a 0 soon, and then the hype is gone, and the burn will not help. Yeah, Stefan, the hype from Anonymous could wear off. I do agree with you on that one, and I do think that if the price starts to fall back down, people will lose a little bit of interest. But I think that they could very quickly regain that interest back if Anonymous comes out and says something again. Under the U.S. markets are open, so they will tell a pullback on Monday. We could absolutely have a pullback on Monday. This chat is wild today. This chat's wild every day, PK. So WTRH has an earnings coming out on August 11th. Do you think Monday it could pull back today's gains? Where did WTRH end today? I know 27 cents was the level that we were concerned with. Didn't move to 35-cent close. Nice, man. Nice. Do I think that it could come back? Yes. I do think that it could pull back. Being up here in this range, though, is pretty enticing. But anytime you have gains like this, yeah, you can see a lot of profit taking happen very quickly afterwards. So, August, when is their earnings? August 11th. I don't know if anybody's going to be concerned about earnings just yet, knowing that they're on August 11th and it's only July 8th right now. I think that you still might be safe from some of the earnings expectations. But, dude, killing it, man. 27 cents to 35 cents. I love that gain. Heck yeah. We've got AMC ticking back up after hours, but sitting at break even right now. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.34. GameStop sitting sideways, 0.05% higher, not 0.5%. Bitcoin sitting at $21,812 right now, up just 1% on the day. Will Lunk reach a penny this year, do you think? Not without a major catalyst. So I'm going to say no, not this year. Either we need the entire bull market to return or a major Lunk catalyst. Papa Lion! I don't even know what to sing to you. You are my fire, the one desire, believe. when I say I pop a lion that way. Now I can see that we're falling apart from the Papa Lion that she used to be. Papa Lion, man, thank you very much for the super chat microphone. You guys probably never send that one again, will ya? I like it, though, Papa Lion. Thank you. Yo, like somebody gotta say it. I'll Sharpton creep level expert. Nice, man. Nice. Expert level, creep level. Yes. Did you get the news? The 1.6 billion car ticket. No, I didn't actually go out there and see that. Sam, I don't even know what you're saying, so I'm not showing your message, man. Nobody knows what he's saying. Somebody else shut. I talked to all my girls at the new work for job, and now I'm a big hit for banana. What? Tick for trap 2. Would trick girls in being girlfriend for them. Thank you for your help too. Sam Demand, glad I could help. JB, I also have no idea what was going on there. Sam Demand, for real. Hopefully things are going good for you. Be a little bit more clear in what you're saying, dude. I was like JB, a little confused in what was going on right there. So I have no idea what is really being said, but glad thank you for your help. Absolutely, man. Glad I could help. I'll double Papa Lion's offer to make this stop. Let's get it, Diffie Dog. Let's get it. Sing it, brother. I got you, Papa Lion. I got you, man. What if the new world is here? Well, Shiba, if the new world is already here, that's probably okay then, right? Because we're all still alive. I feel like I'm back in junior high school. JB! Sometimes I feel like that too, man. But junior high was a long time ago. I don't even really remember junior high too well. It was a long time ago, man. Clever tag John Twitter with 3 charts from Bitcoin crypto whales chart. Your technical analysis, they say a bull soon according to 2 previous years. Yeah, let's look at it here. Ear bleach now. Ear bleach doesn't exist, you nut. AMC Trapper, baby. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the banana super sticker. It's called the lick and stick technique, ladies and gentlemen. You take the banana, you peel it. Eye contact, very important. I'm thinking about Trapper, and I'm looking at Trapper right now. It's a lick and stick. You tilt your head back a little bit, you lick, and you stick. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the super sticker. Filling out Sam Man's fantasies there. That's what he said. He said he wanted a banana. Gotcha. Sam, too. Yeah, that's just what every girl's dream of being tricked into a relationship. Oh, man. You mean it's not, Pika? You mean it's not? The girls don't like being tricked into relationships? I thought that was like a surefire way for success. I don't know. I mean, I thought that was what it is. Summer Groundhog Day is coming. If the Ape Father sees his shadow, the Matt Kors will continue making terrible videos for another 6 weeks. Ooh. Somebody's going to have to keep me updated. If AMC Ape Father sees his shadow, you guys got to let me know. You're going to have to let me know on that. Dude, the Ape Father is content king, man. That dude, how many videos does he actually have? I'll just type it in. Now I can see that we're falling apart from the way that it used to be. Yeah. Ape Father has 5,619 uploads. My gosh, dude. 5,619 uploads. Not bad at all. Impressive, Ape Father. Impressive. Dude did that in like the span of a year. My gosh. I can't believe the dude did that so quick. Well, ApeCoin, go to the moon. YNB fight. Probably during the next Yuga Labs NFT project. That would be when it would go to the moon. MC Driver, thanks for the mega chats. Very nice, okay? Thanks. Yes, it is very nice. D. Gordon, I agree. 3.3 million rupees gone in Volt. What Volt, man? What are we talking about, Volt? What happened to Chip Bro? He's like, what? Snuffleupagus? Only certain people can see him? No, actually, Chip Bro is still out there every single day. I'm upstairs now, so I don't really leave the door open for him to come in during the live streams or anything. But, yeah, dude, you got Chip Bro. And then there's a new little tail out there I think Chipro ate his tail as well. There is the original little tail, and then there's like 2 or 3 other fully tailed chipmunks that are out there. I put a ton of seeds out there. There's squirrels out there now, a ton of birds, like 5 or 6 different chipmunks. So it's very nice out there. Chipro's got a lot of friends that he doesn't really consider friends. He likes to chase them. More for Trap. We love it when Trap gets more. 3.3 million rupees is like $100,000 or $100 US. No, not $100 US. Wouldn't it be a lot more than that? Ape Father is only making about 25 videos per day at this point. Big hairy freak is slowing down. No, don't slow down, Ape Father. You got to make more than 25 videos a day. My gosh, dude. Does anybody make more than 25 videos a day? I think the Ape Father actually might be content king. I don't know if anybody posts more videos than he does. Like across any platform, like TikTok included. I don't know if anybody posts more than Ape Father. Chipro's alpha and eats tails to show. Hey, JB, he might actually, man. He might actually. There's actually a squirrel out there that has part of his tail bitten off, and I really wonder if Chipro bit that dude's tail off. I'm not sure because I didn't see it, and I never saw Chipro eat any of these other guys' tails, but he chases them, and I would expect that he would bite their tail off. Justin's telling you, yeah, he's only making 25. We need more than 25 videos a day. It's not enough. 2 videos an hour, definitely not enough. 24 hours a day. A Volt, isn't it? Oh, yeah. So, Volt, I thought you just meant Volt. I do know. I think I posted that on Twitter, that Volt is frozen everybody's assets. I hate it, man. I hate it. I don't know why these guys got to freeze our assets like that. Update on Chipro. We need an update on Chipro. I'll have to post a video on Twitter or something to show you guys Chipro next time he comes over and eats next to me. Or if I can get one of the new chipmunks to jump in and eat, I'll post a video. Maybe I can do it. Maybe I can do it between this and the videos that I'm going to do tonight too. I'll go grab something to eat after the live stream. God, I got to stop thinking about food. I am so hungry right now. Go eat something after the live stream, and then maybe I can get a video of Chipro jumping in the house and eating some sunflower seeds or something. This is fascinating. We need to investigate the missing tails. We do, JB. We do. I need one of those little tiny cameras that I can strap around Chipro's neck. We can go down in the hole with him, and we can watch him chase these chipmunks all day long. Chipro eats tail. Oh, yeah. Chipro does eat tail, man. It's true. Squirrels don't eat seeds, though, right? I thought that was just a chipmunk thing. Well, so, like the bird seed that I do put out there, I don't know what all they like, but there are pieces of corn in the bird seed, and the squirrels do prefer the corn that is in there. But yes, I've seen them eating more than just the corn. They're eating these seeds as well. I know they are, but it seems like they do prefer the corn that's in the bird seed. Let's see. We used to have a live Chipro cam in the yard. Yes, we did, man, but the door was open. I can't leave the door open while I'm up here. AMC Trap. Well, live stream, it's cool. I can't do it. Karthikeya, I think. AMC Trapper knows how to hit the spot, man. AMC Trapper, thank you for the burger. Oh, gosh, this is a big one. Oh, man, that hit the spot. I'm not even hungry anymore. AMC Trapper, thank you for the beautiful... I don't see any cheese on there, man. So, beautiful hamburger. I don't even see a patty on there, dude. Thank you for the beautiful veggie burger. I see lettuce, tomato, and onion. And, like, air. Because it's, like, the same color as the background. And air under there. I don't even see a patty on that burger. But it tasted delicious. Thanks for the veggie burger, man. You have a few seconds to look at those BTC Twitter charts. Gotta do it! Let everyone have a great day later. Oh, JB, enjoy your weekend, man. Thank you very much for hanging out. Make sure to click the like button on your way out. And I really appreciate anybody that's coming in here to hang out. Especially if you can't stay the entire time. Don't be afraid to do it. Twitter. Go out to notifications. Yes, come up here to mentions. Yes. Dude, I don't see anything that would have been tagged on Twitter. 18 minutes ago is the last thing I see, but I do not see any charts on Twitter right now. Yeah, dude, I don't see anything on Twitter with a chart in it. Do it again. Do it again, man. Tag me again. Wait, you offer corn? Is this like a buffet? Dude, you ever seen birdseed before? Yes. It's got more than one seed in it. It's got little sunflower seeds. It's got corn. It's got like 3 other seeds that I have no idea what they are. Clear video behind, and now I skip to live part. Did he ignore my thank you? Never, man. I don't ignore anybody's thank yous. My midget neighbor mentioned about a week ago that MYMD would make a run due to new VD meds. Today was the day MYMD went crazy. I missed out. Yep. Today was the day, my friend. Today was the day. Over the last week, went from $2.20 to $4.25. So your neighbor was right. Once again, dude, you got to start trusting your neighbor a little more, man. You got to start trusting your neighbor. It broke out. And here's the good news, dude. If it breaks through this area, right in here, where it's at, yeah. Man, this is a pretty strong resistance level that it's trying to touch today. But if it breaks this area, dude, you might be running back up to $5.60. So there's still room for gains left if it does decide to run up in price. But MYMD performing very well. You should have definitely listened to your neighbor on that one. Swole Team 6 burger. Yeah, it's a little veggie burger, man. A little Swole Team 6 burger with a stinging eggplant. Yeah, man. I see what you're doing to me there, Trapper. Have an awesome weekend, JB. Enjoy your tacos. Man, she's mentioning food. I want to enjoy some tacos. I'm off like a prom dress. Have a good one, folks. Diffy Dog, don't those typically take a long time to take off? I mean, don't those typically, they've got like a lot of different buttons and zippers and clasps and things like that. So what you're saying is you're going to be around for a while? Or you're actually leaving right now? Diffy Dog. Explain yourself. D214, that whole part of the world is insane. Sri Lanka has declared bankruptcy. Oh my god. What do we got? Just countries declaring bankruptcy right now? First it was the crypto exchanges. Then it's going to be countries. And you know what happens? If the country doesn't have any money, your bank account doesn't have any money, ladies and gentlemen. The $500 trillion that the U.S. is in debt. You want to know one of the easiest ways to not pay that debt? Bankruptcy. If I hold my Shib on a DeFi or cold wallet, will my investment rise if Shib price goes up, or will it stay the same? No, it'll still go up, man. So, I Ninja Gamer. So if you own 1 million Shiba Inu coin and you transfer it over to a DeFi exchange, you still own 1 million Shiba Inu coin. If you transfer it to a cold wallet, you still own 1 million Shiba Inu coin. So no matter what, you keep your 1 million Shiba Inu coin. Now, your Shiba Inu coin is not going to rise. You're not going to get a 2 million Shiba Inu coin or 3 million Shiba Inu coin. But then whenever you want to trade it back for your US dollars, if at that time it's it could be worth, instead of being worth $100 like it is right now, or $10 like it is right now, maybe it's worth $20 if the price of Shiba Inu coin doubles. If it quadruples, it could be worth $40. Almost said 400. $40 and so on. So you could still see an increase in value, but your 1 million Shiba Inu coin is going to stay 1 million Shiba Inu coin. Crypto.com. Yeah. Pika. When is that for? I saw that. I don't know if it was a notification or an email that they sent me, because I get a lot of notifications from Crypto.com. But if they got scheduled maintenance, literally everything on the app is going to be down. Will it ever come back up? That's the question. Will it ever come back up? I don't know. Maybe an 1820 prom dress. DD214. What do you know about prom dresses? DD214. Come on now. Later, everybody. Have a great weekend. Heading out for steak and lobster. Dang it, Papa Lion. Enjoy that, man. Amigo, Mara, your opinion, please. Amigo, Felix, I got you. Riot and Mara both are very heavily correlated to the price of cryptocurrency, as they are blockchain companies. down in value drastically, lost 90% of its value after hitting $83 per share, has fallen greatly. It's very heavily correlated to the peak of crypto here. Here's what I like about it, okay? If these guys can survive the bear market the same way they did last time, I don't know where they were in 2017 or when they moved over to a blockchain company, okay? But they had a very nice run at the end of 2017, just like crypto did. And then during the bear market, they fell down, dude. I think they bottomed at like 35 cents. I'm going to say 70 cents. They bottomed at 35 cents. And as crypto started to run at the end of 2020, so did the price of Riot and Mara. Mara went from 35 cents to $83. Now, if Bitcoin and crypto suck again and we have a massive bear market, we could go back down to 35 cents. And then when crypto runs again and your Bitcoin 10x's in price, Mara could 200x in price. So, yes, I do like it, but if you think that crypto is going to continue moving lower, I wouldn't be touching it just yet. Just like Bitcoin and crypto's had a good last couple of days here, the price of Mara has gone from $5 to $8. And you can see, if we go back out and see Bitcoin over the last couple of days, Bitcoin has been moving up in value. So very heavily correlated to the price of Bitcoin and the overall crypto market. It's just your choice at that point, whether you want to be exposed to stocks or whether you want to be exposed to cryptocurrency. Mara could do very well if we do have an elongated bear market that drops the price back down to pennies on the dollar. Assuming that the crypto market just soars again one day. Bitcoin posting 2 purple lines right there. All right. We got you. 20,000 on Bitcoin. Yes, inspirational. What is it? Shorts. We are at $21,900 per coin right now on Bitcoin. Dropping back down a little bit, probably since you sent that message. We were probably at 22,000 when you sent it. I'll just assume that you sent it about 2 minutes ago. See a lot of green. Oh, yes. Depressing. What's depressing? Have you heard of Coinin? Yes, I have. I've heard of them because they are burning Luna Classic. That's the only reason. Gracias. De nada. Felix, de nada, my friend. Seeing de nada. Juana, are you out there? Juana, please talk to me. Anybody in this chat having issues transferring Shib or any other assets off of Robinhood? Crypto epidemic. I don't have any assets on Robinhood, so I don't know. I don't, specifically speaking for me. I don't know if anybody else has tried. Hey, Clibro, just dialed in. Any opinion on RBA? RoboApe, interesting. Still in pre-sale. These guys seem to be on point. Bought in at 0189. Goodwin, I actually don't know anything about it, man. And if it's still in pre-sale, I'm probably not going to be able to easily look up any information on it or see any technical analysis on it. So I unfortunately don't know enough about it. But, dude, getting in at $0.015, hey, hopefully it soars in value for you and you make a ton of money. Shiba ain't going up past its all-time high, unfortunately. Hey, 1, why not? And 2, dude, even if it goes back up to its all-time high, man, you're still on an 8x increase in your money. So I wouldn't be terribly upset with that. But think about it. You got to tell me why it's not going to do it. You can't just tell me that it's not. Coin and start Lunk burn it? Yes, they did. A separate question. Forecasters saying Metaverse will be a $1 trillion market by 2030. Agree or disagree? I agree. By 2030, yeah, 2030 is a long way away, dude. We could see 2030, 8 years. I don't know how, I guess we have grown a lot in the last 8 years, taking us back to, 2014? A lot has changed since 2014. A lot can change by 2030. So, yeah, I do believe we could have a $1 trillion market, $1 trillion metaverse market by 2030. And we could have a lot of great metaverses by 2030. No joke on that. Man, this coin is cool, man. This coin is cool. Gotta put it back in, though. I accidentally opened the case around this coin. Shiba Inu's on Robinhood. Have you tried to get it off of Robinhood? No issues on Robinhood there. Grandview Concierge, very nice. Robinhood's solvent, but they want their crypto on their exchange. Fair, I think. Yeah, but they're allowing you to trade it off. My Shiba Inu is on Robinhood. Got Robinhood and can transfer just fine. Very good. Soda Rican crypto. Who loves Shiba Inu coin? Hands up. Hands up. David, hands up. Talk that she. You want to talk about she? Shiba Inu coin is like oxygen. Can't live without it. David, man, you really do love Shiba Inu coin. Clay ignores my shout-outs. Never El Flacco. Never. Shout out to El Flacco. Would never do that to anybody. I had to call Robinhood because I couldn't send my Shiba Inu coin. But they're fixing it today. Gotcha. Inspirational shorts. I think that's what. Who was it? They just asked. Crypto Epidemic. I think that's what Crypto Epidemic was just asking there. So, yeah, very good confirmation of the potential problem. Got Remington transfer is fine. Good. Draskgray. What's going on, Clay, bro? Done now. You've been tagged, bro. Let's see about this, man. You could be lying straight to my face. We'll figure this out real quick. Okay, started the bull run. Great. You're looking at the RSI. What are we looking at here? Bitcoin prices. 2019. Okay, tapping up. This is, yes, basically your 70,000 back down to where we are here at the 20,000. Yes. All right, so let me say this. I do like this chart. Okay, I like this chart for a couple reasons, and one is because it goes beyond, it goes well before, like 2015, 2017, when you can see it on Webull here, and it's very good at hitting the higher lows that we've been hitting here, and I really like that. So yes, we are potentially, right, let me use potentially loosely, potentially going to bounce off this ascending trend line. The RSI cycles bouncing back up from these lows could be a good sign, but we have to remember this. We don't need to see RSI bounce back up off of these levels. It can continue to go lower the same way that the price can continue to go lower. Like I said, though, I really do. I really like this chart right here. This is a bullish chart and indicates that we could be bouncing here. But what do I always say about technical analysis? It shows you what is likely. It doesn't guarantee you what is going to happen. So we could, yes, jump back up from these levels, but it does not have to happen that way. RSI can continue to move lower, and the price of Bitcoin can continue to move lower from there, but I do like it. What do we got here in Adam and Eve? And what chart is this? I don't know what time frame we're looking at right here, so it's a little bit more difficult to determine what that is. And then I don't know what chart we're looking at here. Bitcoin versus the floor price. I don't know what chart this is. But yeah, that first one, man, I do agree with it and like it, that we could be bouncing off of these levels if the long-term trend holds up. Here's what you got to remember, man. We definitely have different market conditions than we have in the past. We are experiencing exchanges, decentralized exchanges, shutting down. We have not seen that before in the past. We have just a ridiculous amount of political turmoil and fighting going on across the world. We've got inflation that we have not seen since cryptocurrency came into existence. We've got interest rates that we have not seen since cryptocurrency came into existence. So the technical aspect of that chart, I do like. Everything else that's affecting the market right now still says to me that we could go lower. Robinhood won't let me use a wallet yet. Probably varies per account. I'm a small fish. I'm a very small fish. Drasgrade, nothing wrong with that though, dude. And they might be implementing and rolling out those wallets on a per customer basis, so you might not have those yet. We are on our way up. Nothing is stopping us on our way up. It's that time. Puerto Rican crypto, let's go. Is it true Bitcoin will pump again short of World War III? So does. Well, dude, yes. Bitcoin, listen, I agree. I do think that Bitcoin is going to pump again. I just don't know from what level we dropped the low at, right? That's the hard part and the impossible part to determine. So, or since the exchanges, centralized, are going down, are you excited about Shibarium? Well, yeah, Shibarium is going to be nice, just like any decentralized exchange. So you're still going to need a decentralized wallet or marketplace where you can store your cryptocurrency. But look, dude, if you're asking me if I'm excited about Shibarium, like posting good news and driving the price of Shiba Inu coin higher, I don't think that it's necessarily going to do that. Like, I don't think it's going to come in and be the savior of Shiba Inu coin. But anything right now, dude, I think there's a part of me that thinks all of the centralized exchanges are going down, and we're going to see a very, very heavy sell-off in cryptocurrency, potentially back to the early days when crypto didn't have a value against the US dollar. People will remember that it had a value of $70,000 back in the past, but we might get to a point where you can't sell it on a centralized exchange, and it goes so low in value because nobody wants it that you're just going to be able to pick up coins either by mining or somebody, selling you on eBay their worthless wallet because they can't cash it out anywhere. Centralized exchanges made that possible for you to cash out your crypto, but we have to remember that that's not what crypto is. Crypto is a cryptography currency that is not necessarily intended to be valued in US dollars or yen or euros or pounds. It's a currency that was originally intended not as an investment that's going to grow in value over time, but as a currency that can be used as a currency, separate and individual from the US dollar, euro, and so on. Let's see. That's why you use a stop loss. Shiba! That's why I used a stop loss this morning, and it actually worked out for me. Where did the QQQ end? Above 295 or below? Okay, so it actually worked out pretty well, even though it started to roll back up here towards the end of the day. Had a pretty nice sell-off, ended up getting out down here, but it sold the options for $1.0850. Put a stop loss on it at $1.10, and it averaged out at $1.0850. They would have only been worth about 30 cents at the close here. So could have made a little bit more money if I would have waited, but dude, who's gonna expect this bounce back? This V shape right here in the middle of the day. But yeah, I'm glad I got out here, but this would have been a little bit better, and I would have lost a lot of money if I waited till the end of the day on those options. But stop losses are good, guys. They're there for a reason. They stop your losses from happening. Oh, where we at? You can flip the coin 100 times. It only needs to be heads one time. Heads. Heads. One time, man. Flipped it one time and it was heads once. $6.25 billion on Shiba Inu. We're close to passing Tron on CoinMarketCap. Inspirational shorts. Let's get it. Wouldn't it be nice to have Shiba Inu coin back in the top 10 again? Clear, bro, how can I sell coins that app won't let me to? Sam Demand number 2. Which app you talking about? I know Voyager's not letting anybody do anything right now. They've got everybody frozen. Crypto.com is going to be going into a maintenance period where they're not going to let anybody do anything. And then a lot of the exchanges, dude, are getting a little sketchy right now. But I don't know which app you're talking about specifically. Let's go heads. Let's go, man. Hit the like button. Do it. If it goes on heads, you guys got to click the like button. Heads. Heads. I better see 96 likes flowing in right now. I'm watching. I got to click here. I see 47 likes, dude. Guys, stop being lame, man. Hey, I clicked insert. Did anybody get an ad? YouTube said now's a good time to insert an ad. Did anybody get an ad? Gemini and Void. Yeah, well, I don't know about Gemini, but Dude, Voyager has everything frozen right now, man. Voyager's nothing but a bunch of thieves. So, yeah, we're gonna see what happens with Voyager. Clearbro, thanks, my brother. You have some clues on upcoming uploads. Take a good rest. Crypto community loves you. Trust me. Well, thank you. Hey, you know what though? No. So I will be going on vacation in August. Okay. I'm going to be going on vacation in August, and I am most likely not going to be doing any live streams. I want to try and keep some videos coming out, but I want to have some content that I'm able to schedule, and just in case, you know, I'm doing something on vacation and not able to do a video. But I want to do like an options series, and you know, I was talking to my dad about it today on the phone, and told him how he can paper trade options on Webull, and then come up with some questions that he has, because he has literally no experience with options, is extremely intimidated by options and things like that. So if you guys do want to tag me in anything, like question-wise, or send me a DM or anything question-wise, I would like to have a series put together that I can release while I'm on vacation, just in case I'm not able to record any content or anything like that. I would like to do that on options and get something together, because I know a lot of people are interested in it, but they might not even know where to start, what questions to ask, what the heck a call is, what the heck a put is. I do want to make it, if I can, in the time, I got about a month, to make it, you know, some sort of a master class. But the first video that's released, extremely simple. The second one, extremely simple. All the way up to the last one, extremely simple. But you're still going to be able to learn along the way. So if anybody does want to help in that, all you got to do is like, let me know what kind of question you have. Because that's the best way to do it, man. If somebody's got a question, answer their question. Like, give them something in the video that they can learn from. So I would like to have that out there to just point people to some sort of like a timeless content that you don't have to, it's not necessarily needs to be updated on this happened to Shiba Inu coin today or whatever, just so that I can pre-record it and then be able to release it during the vacation. Running out of ads. No, man. Gosh, YouTube, give me an ad. Sure, but there's still some Voyager. It didn't want to go insolvent. They made a mistake. They made a very big mistake. I tried hitting the like button, but it asked me if I was sure. So now I don't know. TD214. It should never ask you if you're sure. You are sure that you clicked the like button. Sam again, try again with a different lingo. Yes, do it, Sam Demand. Look it up. I am Ori. The Paramount Decree. That's what it's called. Oh, I am Ori. The thing that says the film studios can't own movie theaters. Is that right? Another question, Clay. When do you think the on-chain burn code will be implemented for Lunk? I don't know how fast these guys can work. Rosemond. I don't know how fast these guys can work, but from what I've seen, they've already got like beta stages out there, and it got proposed like last month, and they're already in the beta stages, so maybe a month before they would be able to get it going and get it live, which I know a month seems like a long time, and it technically is in the grand scheme of things and how new Luna Classic is as a meme coin, but it's not really that long if these guys have a lot of coding and stuff to do. I swear to you, it's so big, it's going to cost the MOAS. Dude, anything that causes the MOAS is good by me. Okay, thank you. I say, I hate them, F them for video. What is happening? Magic 8-ball question, yes or no? Ain't giving details, just yes or no. Tim wants to know right now, Magic 8-ball, is it a yes or is it a no? Ooh. Tim, man, it is decidedly so. I don't know if you can see it or not. It is decidedly so, Tim. It is decidedly so. Whatever that means, Tim, it is decidedly so, my friend. How do you exercise a call if you are in the money? Keith, completely up to you, but if you're in, let's say you're in the money, and your option was worth more than you bought it for. Whether or not you exercise it depends on whether or not you want the shares or if you just want the profit. So just to use a little bit of an example here, let's say that AMC is trading at $15 a share, and you've got a stock option where the strike price is $14 a share. So you're $1 in the money. And let's say that it's getting very close to expiration, just to make the math slightly easier, and your stock option is trading for $1. Now, you have a choice. You can go out there, and you're basically going to be in the same boat. You can either exercise that call option, and you can buy 100 shares for $14 a piece and spend your $1,400, and then you can immediately be up on those shares. Since it's trading at $15, you can immediately be up the $100. Or you could go out there and you could sell that contract for the $100 profit. Now, it's assuming you bought it at a different price there and so on, but it all depends on what the options trader wants to do. Do you want to sell your stock option for a profit, or do you want the 100 shares of AMC in your portfolio? And of course, there will be different tax implications on each one of those and things like that you could consider. But if you're not really worried about all of that, if you're not really worried about holding the shares of AMC, then what you're interested in is profit and making that money there. So you don't have to exercise your option if it is in the money. You can simply go out there and decide to either continue holding or sell it for a profit. But also, very good question. I'm going to write some of these questions down too, just in case I can compile a decent number of questions here. All right. Let's see. Does having YouTube Premium take away from your ad revenue? Just wondering. I don't do ads. So Lucky's thoughts. I don't know if it necessarily takes away from ad revenue or not, because like if you pay for YouTube Premium, there's a little section, and I know a lot of people don't have YouTube Premium, so it's like a very, very small section that comes up. But whatever portion of like my videos you watch during the month, YouTube gives me like that portion of the YouTube Premium charge. So yeah, I don't make any ad revenue off of you, but I might make like a penny because you pay for YouTube Premium and you spent an hour watching my videos or something during the month. I might make a penny off your YouTube Premium there. If you watch another guy's channel and they don't put an ad on your video because you pay for YouTube Premium, they might give him a penny. If you watch one of my videos but spend 10 days watching some other dude's videos, he might make $1 off of whatever YouTube Premium ad revenue there is, or YouTube Premium revenue. So it doesn't necessarily take away from it. I just don't know the exact conversion as to like how much you would have spent watching ads versus the YouTube Premium ad revenue or whatever, the YouTube Premium revenue that there is. So I highly, highly doubt that it's like worse. I'll assume you don't share specifics about what you're invested in, and that's cool. Just wanted to get a perspective from another fellow host to understand the overall sentiment. Come on, Postal. Yeah, dude, so I don't mind talking about like what stocks, what options, what coins I do have. I don't talk about like actual dollar amounts, but I do talk about whether or not I'm losing money, earning money, the percentages, and things like that. I have no problem. The only thing that I want to create is like an environment where it doesn't matter. If you're investing $100, perfect. If you're investing $1 million, perfect. Like, it doesn't matter as long as you're out there trying to better your future. I don't want anybody to think like they don't have enough, or that they need to do more, or they're not in heavy enough, or that they're in too much. You know what I mean? Like if you're sitting there and you're sitting on a $10 million portfolio or something, and you figure out everybody else, oh my God, dude, everybody else is only sitting on a $3,000 portfolio or $1,000 portfolio. You might be like, oh, well, maybe I'm in too heavy here. So I don't want to influence anybody in that way, but overall sentiment, market right now, market and crypto market, I'm bearish overall in the short term. I still think that the world's got a lot of problems going on right now that need to be addressed and resolved before I become bullish again. So my sentiment right now, short-term bearish. Be a pit bull and bite it in there and hold it and never lose. What are we talking about, Shiba? I know I missed something. Hey, bro, is Jasmine getting listed on the Japan exchange massive or meh? Dude, at this point, meh. Anything listed on a centralized exchange right now, to me, is meh. Knowing that these centralized exchanges, at any given time, can just steal your money if they want to. Pika Power says, I have no idea. Darn it, man. Darn it. I need to know what she has no idea about so I can give her an idea. Hello, these YouTubers going live right now. Live are nothing compared to you. You a legend. You read the chat, which we love. Catch you soon, my bro. Monday, right? Yes, PS5. Be back on... How is it 5 o'clock already? My gosh, I'm wondering why is this dude saying bye to me already? But it's 5 o'clock. And no, dude, that's the thing. Like, I could sit here and look at these charts all day, too, and ignore the chat, and maybe have more viewers in here, being less interactive and so on. But that's not why I want to do the live streams. You know, that's not how I want to structure the lives or anything like that. The lives are, for me, meant to be interactive and meant to be a time when you can ask questions that I don't have to go through and worry about all the comments and something getting lost in translation and things like that. Just discussions, Q&As, discussions, and a time to interact with each other. I pay for premium, but I make up for it with all these stickers. Pika Power! No. Even if you've got YouTube Premium, it's still good, guys. It's still good. Because there is a portion that is dedicated for anybody with YouTube Premium that watches your videos. I will tell you, it's very, very small. So I know a lot of people don't have YouTube Premium. But, yeah, there's a portion that's very small. But, like I say, man, like if you watch a video and you hit an ad, it's like half a cent, right? It's like half a cent. So, and I know for a fact that the average person only watches a handful of videos a month. So if you guys are watching over a handful of videos a month, thank you for that. I already assume that you guys are better than average since you're in the live streams all day, every day. But the average is about a handful a month. Hey bro, how you make money to work for you to need help. Thank you. Sam Demand number 2. How to make money work for you. You gotta find a place to grow it. And a lot of people want their money to make them $1 million overnight. Put it to work for you so you know that it's going to come back the next day and work for you again the next day. Even if it starts off slow and annoying, man, as long as that dollar shows back up to work for you again the next day, even if it only brings back a penny, it's showing back up, dude. And then over time, you get more dollars and more dollars and more dollars going to work. The name of the game is to always show back up tomorrow and always be able to grow, even if it's slow. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Yes, guys, it's 5 o'clock. I don't know where the time went today. I really think that black hole thing might be taking place here because these time warps we're getting into are crazy. RA stock, no way. Dude, I don't even know what it was. It was like 9 months ago, man. Somebody was like, crap, that dude talked about getting hit by a bus or something, and now he hasn't been in the chat for like a month. I wonder what happened to him. I'm not going to lie, dude. I forget your name. I don't know if it's Richard or something else, but I've not seen your name in a long time, dude. Glad to have you back. I'm glad you didn't go out and step in front of a bus or whatever it was talking about there. But anyway, guys, let's go to Lucky's Thoughts with the... Lucky's Thoughts, thank you. Lucky's Thoughts, thank you. I don't know how to do an alien. Lucky's Thoughts, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Let's see, guys. We have got to go now. It's 5:05. I don't know how 5:05 happened already. It was just 5 o'clock, literally 2 seconds ago. So, guys, we'll do some shout-outs. We'll be back with the videos tonight, 7 p.m. Videos tonight at 8 p.m. I am going to be eating something, maybe posting a video of Chipro if I get him jump in the house. But until then, let's do some shout-outs, and then we'll be back tonight. Pika Power, shout out to you. Sam Demand number 2, PS5 Future Gaming, RA Stock, Monkey Fruit, see you later. Drast Gray, see you later. Lucky's Thoughts, thank you for the super chat. And the wonderful alien there, first name, last name, see you later. Gone Postal, buy PS5, buy Pikachu. Tim Hogan, see you later. Drast Gray, see you later. Sam Demand number 2, see you later. AMC Trapper, if you're in here, man, peace out to the Diamond Hand Apes and the Shiba Army. Crypto Rocketeer, boom, you know what it is. I don't know. SD, if you're in here. Stephanie Bro, if you're in here. Everybody, if you're in here right now, you know what time it is. So you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.